Okay, good evening, everyone. So this is gonna be web development for those without any IT experience. So you don't need any knowledge of coding for you to be able to do this particular course. Okay, so I'm going to assume that everyone haven't got any knowledge of IT or you don't have knowledge of coding. So then you'll be able to go through what I'm going to go through in this particular class. So this particular class is based on WordPress. So if you Google WordPress, so most of the sites that you see worldwide, I think the last time I checked, like 80, no, I think like 40% of the site worldwide is built on WordPress. I think there's a metrics actually. If I get yeah. Okay, so yeah, actually 40% of the site that you see worldwide are built with WordPress. So it's really a great tool to use. And most of the sites that you might have seen are already using WordPress. So if you are going to use WordPress, so this is good. You can go to their site and I'll show you what I've done. So I've already got a WordPress installation on this particular environment. But if you want to start afresh, so we'll still cover that in the other class anyway. So you can go to wordpress.org and you can be able to download the application and you can Google, even different website. So for those guys in the session, so I've sent a link to you. I've sent this link to you with the username and password. So if you could just go in there and enter the username and password, so then we can go through this together. It's going to be interactive. It's not going to be kind of theoretical training. So I need you to go through what I am going through actually. So at the end of today, you'll be able to actually create a page using WordPress. So then from there, we'll do follow on programs as well. So for those guys that are still interested. So, okay. So let me, as a show of hands, how many people are able to log in using that account that I've sent? So if you can just raise your hand, so I'll know that, okay, I've got people following me. Thank you, Abby. So yeah, thank you. So how many people have been able to log in? So I'm going to resend the login details again. So you just need to click on that link and click on admin, then put the username, put the password. Yeah. So I've sent the username and password again. Okay, thank you. Please let me know how many people have been able to log in. Like I said, this should be, you will take this as a workshop. I want you to kind of go along with me. Also, if you have any issue logging in, please do let me know. Okay. So, okay. Okay, all right, let's have more people. So I'm waiting for a few more people so that we can start. So if you have been able to log in, can you show you? Yeah, let me see how many people have been able to log in. At least I'm actually thinking that maybe if we get like a 10 or thereabout, we just start. So okay, cool, thank you. I know there are some guys that are here to help me as well. So okay, cool, thank you. Okay, I think we got, okay, all right, we got some people typing as well. Okay, cool, thank you. So now I'm going to start, we're going to do fun things. So the first thing in web development is to think about the website that you want to do. So think about whether it's going to be an application or it's going to be an information website or whatever you want to do, right? So today we're going to do two things, right? We're going to create a page, right? That page could be information website, could be different thing. And we're going to start pretending that we are doing a an application for the bank, like banking application that will be able to kind of for the withdrawal or something like that. So that's what we're going to do today. So yeah, okay. All right, so the first thing that I want you to do is to click on pages, right? So if you click on pages or if you put your mouse on it, if you click on it, it's going to expand to you and you can see add new, right? Or you can click on this one. So if you click on add new here or you click on add new here, anyone. So then that takes you to add new. So with this one, we can add new pages. So most of the website that you see, right, are pages, right? So if you go to google.com, all this website that you see, so let's say HSBC. So this is a page in HSBC. And if you, okay, let's accept. If you click on that one, that takes you to, let me even click on this one. That takes you to another page. So all these one are different pages. So, and if you click on Premier account, that's another page on its own. And as you can see, the URL also is changing. These are different pages on the website. So that's one thing that you need to know. So in the same way, you can click on that. So let me go back again. So what I asked you to do is to click on pages like that. Once you click on that, click on add new, okay? Add new. Once you click on add new, it opens this new page to you. It's going to open now, okay? Okay, so now we're going to start our application. So let's say our title is my banking application, or let's say, let's just call it my banking, okay? So, and so this my banking now, so this is the title of this particular page, right? So as you can see here, you can see there are different things, different images and the likes, so you can do the same thing. For instance, let's say I'll copy this particular URL. So maybe if you want, we can do the same thing. So let me go back again. Okay, so let's say this is the website now and hsbc.com. So, and I say open this particular page, this image, I want this image. Okay, this is the image from HSBC. So I can send this to you now. So the first thing we want to put this image on the page that we've done right now. So that is a URL to that particular page. So we can put this URL on that page. So on my own, let me put my names because most people will be. So okay, so that is actually different from others anyway. So yeah, so that is the name of my bank actually. So now the next thing I want to do, I want to add an image. So as you can see, it says type or choose a block. Yeah, if you click on it, it says type or choose a block. You can type whatever you want to type, and as well you can also click on this plus. So I would say you should click on that plus. So when you click on that plus, it actually displays this particular pop-up for you. So what you could do is, I want image, right? So you can click on that image, and now, so you have opportunity to upload or to select the image if you already uploaded it before, or insert from URL. So we are going to insert it from URL, right? So click on that, insert from URL. So then you paste that URL. I've sent that to you, press enter. So that is that. As you can see, we got the name of my bank, and this is the image, right? So that is a simple one. So then, so I can decide to put different things on it, on under it then, but we're going to make it simple, right? So this is just our banner for a start. So we're going to have some text. So just to make it simple, we're going to leave it like that. So next time we should talk about all these menus or like that, so we can do that later. So okay, so the next one, let's say we want to actually have this particular one. So the rate has been increased from this one to this one. So let's copy that. So just a simple ones without any fancy stuff actually. So I can paste what I've got in there right that. So we can still do some changes in there, like change the text to align with what they've got in there. But for now, let's just leave it like that. So as you can see, this is blah, blah. So then the next thing is all this one now. So we can have something like that. So you can create the section divided into 4. So let's go back. So here now you can say, okay, I want to insert. But now we're going to do something a bit advanced. So let's say, so as you see here, you see forms and the likes like that. But now if you just kind of say, okay, browse all, okay. So when you say browse all, you're going to see a lot of things that you can insert, right? You can insert a paragraph. As you can see, when I put my mouse on it, that's how it's going to look like. So for instance, when I click on that, so, and that can be inserted. So, and you can insert codes, you can insert heading, list, code, table, mark. So, and we've done images, you can insert gallery, audio, or cover, or you can insert file if you want to like upload or thereabout. So, or video, story. So, but now we want columns. That's what I want to do. Where's that? Okay, columns, because I want to divide it into different columns. So, and I click on that. So I want to, from that side, I think they've got like 3 columns. Okay, so these are 3 columns. This one. So yeah, I want to add that like that. So here now I can decide to say, okay, I want these 3 images. So we'll still talk about the links anyway. So you can have the 3 images. Another thing that you could do also, you can click on that and do the same thing, right? So click on image on this one. So let's say I have that, I copy this, copy image. Where's that copy image? Copy. Okay, yeah, copy image address. So right click and copy image address. So then I go into image and I say from URL. Then let's paste that, enter. So that is my image there. Then the next one as well, I can do the same thing. Copy image address. So do that. Okay, that is the second one. Then the third one is this one. Copy image address as well. Okay, so then you can continue, right? So because you can see you can insert different images or different thing again, or you can do another part. Well, yeah, let's say we want to kind of insert another column at the bottom of that, so that we have the type the label at the bottom. So we do the same thing, but of course with 3 columns as well. So, and we just insert that. So, and yeah, I think we can put paragraph. So the paragraph that we want is this one. Okay, so we can also do the same thing for, okay, I think I've clicked on that. Okay, so you can copy that one as well. So the next one, oh, sorry. Okay, I think I've lost that one. This one there. Okay, all right. So you can continue like that. So as you can see, we've kind of started, then you do the other one. You can add you can shade, you can do whatever you want to do. So we'll talk about those ones later. So, but now the next thing that we want to do is let's publish, right? So you click on publish. So if you don't publish, then your site will not be seen actually. So you need to click on publish again. So after that, until you see like that, it shows view page. Then you can click on that. So I want to open that page. That's my new page. So that's how my site look like now. As you can see, wow, okay, that's brilliant. So, and that's how you can see we've already started creating a page, and yeah, you can then talk about the footer, the header, and the likes like that. So yeah, we see have the menu, but we are not using this right now. So we're going to talk about the menu. You can add the menus to it. But let's say now, this is my site now. I want to withdraw, right? I want to do some withdrawal after that. Let's say I go on to now say, okay, put some withdraw on application. So the next thing that we want to do is to create a form to do withdrawal. But before we do that, I really want to see what everyone has done. So, okay, any question on this one? So You can create any page that you want. We just use this one as an example. You can decide to create any page that you want to create. Okay, let's see what everyone has done. Any question? Okay, subtract dates. Okay, all right, so we got some stuff. That's good. So let's preview Solomon's one. And we got this one as well. Yemi. So, okay, let's see. Okay, brilliant. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's brilliant. That's brilliant. So it shows that some people have been listening. Well done. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's brilliant. Okay. All right, cool. Some people already see that's brilliant. Okay, all right, cool. So I think that we got a lot of people already kind of started to do something. So let's see the rest. Oh, this is Worldwide Bank. Okay, that's good. So you can, yeah, see continue anyway. So yeah, so okay, this is brilliant. Okay, so let's see the rest. Okay, wow, that's good. That's good. Got a lot of people. Okay, let's see the rest. Okay, all right, cool. All right, so we're still going to continue anyway. So let me close this one. So the next one is like, okay, all right, cool. Okay, so let's now say, okay, if you want to make withdrawal, please do make withdrawal, use this for your withdrawal. So that's what we're going to do now. So we're going to make it like this application so they can actually make withdrawal with it actually. So let's, okay. So where is my one? Okay. So let's search for my. Okay. So this is my. Okay, so now we want to use this particular app now to have a form. Let's put a title here, a paragraph, no, maybe header actually. Or let's even say deposit. Okay, thank you, guys. Oh, sorry. Think go a bit further. Make transfer. Okay, so this is us now. We want to make transfer online. So for us to make transfer online, we have to ask the user to type something, right? So put your username. Though right now we are not saying they should register or log in. We're still going to talk about that later. So and I think maybe we should just even do that as well, isn't it? So we're going to say, okay, register, then log in, then you are able to kind of use that to make transfer. Okay, so and the first thing, let's first talk about how to register on this particular site. So how do you allow users to register, right? So let's put another link here. Let's say start either. Okay, register. Okay, so this we're going to say register. So this is to transfer. So we can still move this across anyway. So or put it at the front here. So depending on how you want your site to be like, as you can see, I'm just kind of developing on the fly. So let's say I want to register now. So what will I do? I need to create a form. Let me update this one first and go back to the site. So you updated that. So I want to now create a form for registration. So, and let's go back to our site. So on this site now, we want to create a form. So there's a plugin that we have already kind of installed in the upper section. In the next session, we're still going to talk about plugin, but just know that there's a plugin called Forminator that allows you to kind of create different forms. Okay, so and you can also use it for registration and also for login as well. So you can click on that and say, click on Formulator and click on Forms. So, and then you click on create, okay? So I say formulator, click on forms and click on create, okay? So once you click on create, it gives you some options, right? So say, what do you want? Do you want to create a blank form or you want to create a contact us or code or newsletter or registration or login? I think this looks familiar to some people, right? So you've seen some site that's got contact us. I think even here also you would see contact us page or thereabouts. There, I think there will be some contact us somewhere actually. So yeah, where you can actually contact them. So if you are creating something like that, so you just select contact us actually. So or if you are looking for a newsletter for people to sign up to, you do that. But as I said, I'm going to do registration. So I click on registration and I can say continue. So and I can type the name and type I want. So bank banking application. So this is going to be application form for you to kind of apply into the bank. So, and yeah, so we can click on create. So now you got the username, you got the email address, the password, but there are other things that you might need as well, because this is the standard one. Actually, you see like address, age, everything like that. Okay, then you click on that. So sorry, let me go back again. You click on insert field. You can also click on the one at the top here. It takes you to the same place. Okay, so we've I think we didn't have the name, so we're going to say let's insert name. We've got email address.
Excuse me, please.
Okay.
Sorry, when you click on create, do you choose any of the contact or login? I missed that part.
You click. I chose the registration.
Registration. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So we've got email. That's fine. We got password. So we want your telephone number. We need your address. No, I don't think email address. Website is okay. So I think so. We also would want your age, so date of birth as well. So put that in there. So if you also need to kind of upload proof of address, you can also use that. So, and also captcha is another thing that you want. Some of us we've seen the captcha. That's okay. I'm not a robot, or just to prevent spamming into your website. So, and I think for now, so I will talk about the hidden feed later. So it's really, really good to capture some data that you don't want to present to the user. So you want to be able to pass it across to your server. So that's one. So I think for now, I think, yeah, consent is another thing. So for that. So we don't need currency right now. We might need currency when we come to the withdrawal. So, and also, yeah, maybe payment gateway at that particular time. I think this one should be fine just to make our registration short and sweet. Okay, so insert. So this is what we have now. So you can decide to change everything that you want. I think for username, maybe we should remove that. So because I don't think you need username for registration. But if you want, we can still leave it like that. So, and name, telephone number, address, yeah, date. So the date, we can change the date to date of birth. So, and so what I did was to just click on it actually. So click on that, then if that pops up of birth. So, and the format. So this is American format. So month, day, year. So we want the UK one, which is day, month, and year. So that's what we want. So, and you've seen some site that you got like a placeholder. So I will show you what that means later. So, but let's just leave this one for now. You want to show the calendar icon, or you want to add it, whatever you want to do. So, and that's that. So, and you click on apply. So that, and the captcha as well. This is a bit technical because you need an API. You need to register with Google, but I will just leave it for now. So you know that is there. And but you will need so you need a API key for that to be able to work. But you can, yeah, maybe we will talk about this later. So yeah, so let's continue anyway. So now you can quickly preview what you've done just to see how the form will look like. So, okay. So as you can see, this is a form, right? So username, email, password, then your name, for the phone number, street, yeah, blah, and that's that. Then date of birth, then you can upload your files, and then you can also get the consent, so that, yeah, I agree to our policies and also terms and conditions. You click on register. So this one we need to change because we want to say apply. So instead of register, so let's, yeah. So let's change that to apply. So click on that, change that to apply. Okay. So there are other settings there that I'm not going to talk about now, but so we're going to continue, right? So, and another thing that you could also do is the appearance. Yeah, you can change the appearance of your form. So this is the standard one, default one. You can change it to flat like that, or you want to change it to bold like this, or you've seen some site that looks like this as well. So you can see material. So, or you don't want any any format. So I think let's just go with the default one. Or this one looks cool, isn't it? So let's go with that. So, and there are other format that you can check in there. But let's just make it simple and let's continue. So yeah, having done that, you just need to kind of publish. Right. So be careful now. If you click on that publish, there's a pop-up that pop up after this. So I need you to kind of take some information from there. So when I click on publish, now it's going to send this to me, right? This is the short code. So the short code, you need to copy that. And it's going to tell you, okay, oh, yeah, your form is ready. So you need to copy that. So copy the short code. And then let's go back to our site. So we need the shortcode in our site. So this is, where's my site? This one, right? So I want the shortcode here. So just paste it. So as you can see, so that is my form ready. All right. So of course, another thing that you could do is to put a link here actually, and create another page. That's another thing that you could do to this particular form, right? So that your page is not that long. But for now, we'll just leave it like this. So you can do that as well. Just put a link, and you see register here. That would be a link. Then you would it takes you to the form. So okay. So after you've done that, I think you can see this is now applied. So you would kind of click on update. Okay, I think has he finished? Okay, all right. So let's view the page now. Okay, all right. So because we've already logged in, right? So you're going to see this page if I logged out now. So because so for the users that have not logged in, they're going to see. Once you've logged in, you will not see it again. It's already kind of logged in. That means it's actually really working. For a logged in user, you won't be able to kind of register. You already logged in. So that's one thing. So let's log out here. So then we will see the site. Let's see. That's fine. So let's see the site. Hopefully it's on the page. Okay, all right. I need to bring it out again. So I might need to log in again. Forgot the URL. Okay, so this is my URL. So let me log out just to see the form. Yeah. So, okay, so I think as you can see now, that is the form to register. So you can actually register. And after you register, you want to log in. So we're going to do that now. So once you register, then you can use that to log in as a user. So, and yeah, so that is what we're going to do. So now you need to create a login form. So like I said, we're going to use one page for now, right? I'll put the login at the bottom of that. So, but in normal sense, you might put that in a different page. Yes. So, but for now, just to make it easier for us, so we don't create different pages, so we're going to still use this one. So, okay, let's log in back to our admin portal. So, okay. Okay. All right. So now, so the next thing that I need to do is let me go back here, refresh. Okay. So here now, so I've already got my login one. So let's say I add another one so I've already got registration rather. So I'm going to add another header for login. So, and then I need to create another form for logging in. Okay. So I will do the same thing that we've done before. So go to Forminator, create a form, click on form, then click on create. So this time around, I want login. Okay, so the root is Forminator, forms, then create, then login. So I can click on that. So user login, let me just call it login or bank app login. Okay, so what do you need? You need your username or email address, then password, yeah, and the password. That's what you need. So, and that is it basically. So, and if you preview, you're going to see that, yeah, username and password. So that's, you can use that to log in. So yeah, so, and once you click on publish, the same thing happens. You get that particular Forminator ID. So copy that and go to your web page and then paste it. Let's click on that one. Just paste yeah, as you can see, it's giving you the username or password, and you put that and log in. So you can add the no, you don't need a captcha for logging in anyway. For some people, you can also put the captcha for that. Let's assume we need a captcha for logging in. So we just kind of go in there and add and say captcha. Okay. So to just say, oh, I'm not a robot. So, and say, okay, yeah, apply. So let's see. So I think, okay, because we need, yeah, we need those ones. So we leave that for now. So yeah. Let's see. Yeah, you need the keys as well. So you can apply for keys anyway on Google. So that's there. So we leave this one for now. So then let's publish. Yeah, we've already done that anyway. So okay, yeah, that is that. So yeah. So any question on this one? So the next thing is for you to make a transfer, right? It's the same thing anyway. This time around, you would want to put different accounts in there to say, okay, where you want to transfer from and to. So let's quickly do that. So go to our Forminator as well. So let's leave that one. So okay, I think I will leave that for now. So yeah, you can do that. So and any question on this one? Any question? Okay, let's even.
I have a question, please.
Please, yes.
Yeah, I think I'm struggling with pasting my short code, please.
Okay, I will quickly do another one from beginning. Okay, let's assume that we want to have the application registration form for this class. Okay, so let me quickly do that one so then you can follow me on what I'm going to do. Okay, so the first one is Forminator forms, then create. So this time around, maybe I should just use contact us for that, right? So it's okay, yeah. So great, continue. So, but I'm gonna say application form. So let's say development. So then create. So you got your name, so that's fine. So your email address, telephone number, and message, basically. So let's say that is, yeah, what we want to do. And we can say, instead of message, maybe say motivation, all right?
Mm-hmm.
So why you want to actually do this particular development. So, and that's simple. Click on publish. So now this is the one that you're talking about. Copy that, okay? So after you copy that, what you need to do, because this is a new form entirely, so I want a new page, okay? Click on pages. And then click on add new, because I want a new page, okay? So now the title of my page, I can say web development. Okay, of course I can spell web development course application form. So then I think this is the point that you got issues on. So
Yes.
once you have this type or to choose a block, click on that and then paste the shortcode inside. Okay, so I'm going to do that, paste the shortcode, and automatically it renders. That's
Okay.
what you need to do. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So that is that. So then the next thing is for us to publish. Okay. Okay, then you view the page. Okay, I think that's okay. Any other question? like I said, so let's now continue here. And you want to add YouTube, right? You want to add different YouTube channels. So you can as well do that as well. So you can click on YouTube, click on that, the link to the YouTube channel. So let's say we go to YouTube, and let's say we go to Blue Sky Citadel YouTube. Okay, so this is, yeah, for instance, let's say this is the live one that we're looking into now. Okay, so this is the live chat. Copy that, and I'll send it to you. So okay, so once you copy that, paste it into that particular text box and say embed. It will just embed. As you can see, that is it. And you can watch any YouTube channel, or link any YouTube page to your page, or you can arrange whatever you want to do like that. So there are a lot of things that you could do from here. So if you go on to browse, you can, yeah, have gallery. For you to have a gallery, you must already have different images. You want to have audios, you want to play audios, you can also do that, upload different audios to your site. And for instance, also some cool things that you could also do is, let's say you want to add code to your code. So the code will be in a different format, like that one. So let's say like that. So print, let's say. Using Selenium, using the G. It's going to appear differently, different from the other code, but okay. So if we update that and check the site, where do I have it? Oh, not this one. Okay, let me preview. You can also preview how it's going to look like on tablets and also on mobile. Let's look at mobile version of the site. So this is how it will look like on mobile. As you can see, it's showing you that. Yeah. Okay. So if you want to look at on the tablet version, this is the tablet version. So you can actually kind of do all your testing on this or preview on a new tab and to see how the whole window will look like. So yeah. So as you can see, this looks like that. So it's, yeah. Okay, so there are lots of things that you could do in there. So yeah, we've kind of selected a simple template to use. Hold on, let me update so that I don't lose. Okay. Okay, so, okay, let's go back. I think this is showing my site. Okay, that's fine. So, and also you could also create shops for yourself. That also is possible to actually do buy or sell on the site. So using WooCommerce, that's another thing that you can do. So if you want to create a new product, you can go to products, click on add new product. So you can do that in there, creating different products that you want to do. And yeah, so there are a lot of things also that you can do, contacts, different contacts, creating the medias and the likes like that. So yeah, so this is just kind of a quick introduction to let you know what you could do even without any development experience. You can create a whole page by yourself from what we've done right now. Any questions? So this is where we're going to stop anyway. So, and if you want to continue, I think we will still use this particular page actually. So if you want to continue with this session actually, so maybe I'll send this one to you to fill. So I will know if we still need to continue. So that is a form. Just fill the form, and then yeah, we'll take you from there. Any question, please? Any question?
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, all right, cool. So if you still want, sorry. Hello. So if you want to continue with the next section, so do fill the form. Then those are the ones that we're going to continue with anyway. So yeah, so if that's okay. So yeah. All right. Thank you, everybody. So have a good night, and hopefully it's useful for you. So if you want to you can Google WordPress online, so that then you can pick that up by yourself. But if you also if these arouse your interest, so do fill the form, then we can take it from there. Okay. All right. Thank you, everyone. Have a good night. Yeah. Yes.
Thank you for the session.
No worries. Thank you.
Then please, I want to ask for the web development course. Do you focus more on the WordPress, or do you do some design as well? I mean, coding. Do you do some other part that related to coding?
There are other courses that we do like C# coding actually, but this one is only for WordPress. There are other ones that some other tutors do, like C# and also PHP and the likes. Yeah. So, but
okay.
Yeah, this one is basically low code and no code development. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Then can we still use the platform to practice as well, or we can access it from now?
Yeah, you can access it, but I use it for the kids as well because I teach them coding as well. So, but until when I finish the lesson, I might drop it. So, but you can see use this one. But if you go in there anytime and it's not there, that means it's been full of.
Okay. Then the last one, please. The meeting is recorded. Can we have access to it?
It's online. So if you go to I think I even added it to the one of the videos. So let me share my screen.
Much more confident now. I've done any set. Very much indeed.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, it's coming up now. Yeah.
Okay. So I think I sent it as well. I sent it to the chat. So if you Google for Blue Sky Citadel, actually, so you will see this one. That is it. Actually, yeah. So this is the
All right. Yeah. Yeah.
web development for non-techers live. So, and yeah, I've also sent the link anyway. So this is this one.
Then when sorry, I'm asking too much question. When is
Okay,
it
no, that's fine. Is it when
I
is
mean, when is its main training starting? That's the
it's
cost.
already started anyway. It's already started. So we're going to do another one probably next week actually. So but that will be for the people that's got genuine interest actually. So and yeah, so and it's not gonna be a big class, only a few people that will be able to go and yeah use it basically. So I might have to kind of look into how many people we have and cut them down based on yeah talking to people why they need, or even the messages that you put in there why you need it. So and yeah, so it's starting from next week.
Okay, and the duration of the course, is it the one that has a placement as well, or just
It's
training?
it's going to run for 2 sessions. Then after that, I would put you into my team with the placement. Actually, yeah. So that's why I want people with genuine interest and people that've got the time for it. So even the training, if you run for 2 sessions, that you get grabs, or you're still going to be in the you working with my developers and also like kind of like an internship for the next whenever you have actually. So it's going to that will take a long time for you to master everything.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, all right, cool.
All right.
For those guys that are interested, please do fill out the form. Like I said, I'm only looking for a few guys, only serious guys actually. The session is free, so but even though it's free, I need commitment from people that will be able to kind of carry on with this. So yeah, okay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
All right, thanks everyone. Have a good evening. Cheers. Good night.